Yeah. So what happened exactly is like we have types of algos over here. Okay. So we have levels of algos how to do. So first let me tell you what is algos. Okay. So now you everybody know that. Okay, let me show you a chart. Okay, so now I'm drawing so many lines over here. Okay, you can see I'm drawing so many lines that above, lower, and everything. So if I want, I'm planning for a trade over here. Okay, what is my trade is planning is like after this level. Okay, so after this level, I want to take a trade over here. Okay, so now, so if you see that, that is my entry level is like 4117 here. So now what happened? I need to sit in front of the chart until this level is achieving. And after that, I need to take a trade and I need to keep a stop loss of somewhere around 10 points. And I am to target for 20 points here. So I need to sit in front of chart every day, every time, whenever this such level is achieving, that is when I need to punch order in my broker account. Okay. So then I need to set my stop loss and targets and everything. Correct. So this is how it works. But in Algo's perspective, what we can do is like, yeah, hello guys, hi. So today basically we will be learning algos over here. So how exactly algos works. Okay, what are algos? Okay, how many types of algos are there? How to do it? And I will show you white box algos also, DI algos, everything I will try to show you in this session. Okay. So basically what happens is like it's not going live. Go to YouTube Studio and click go live. Only timer is going. Oh, it's man. Yeah, start பண்ணிட்டான்டா. ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணு. go live கொடுத்துருக்கேன். என் ஸ்ட்ரீம்ல காட்டுதே. Yeah, basically, yeah. Just a minute. Yeah. So we will be learning all the types and how to do it in the easiest manner. Okay. I will be teaching you this all stuff. So now what exactly I will first try to tell you that how exactly algos looks like. Okay. So now you see, you can see so many lines in my chart over here. Correct. So what I was planning is like I'm planning that if the market is approaching above the 4117, so I will be going for a long trade from here. Okay. So as of now, it is very near, so I can easily punch here. So what if the level is over here? I'm expecting that this level. Okay, if market is going above this level, I want to plan a trade over here. So then what? Correct. So then what? So it's completely a difficult thing to do here. So and every time I need to look in front of the like I should be in the front of charts only. So whenever the price is approaching at this level, that is when I need to enter and after that target and stop loss, everything I need to keep here. Correct. So that is where algos come into the picture. Okay. So algos try to help you uh, accordingly what you need to do. Okay. So if you want to punch a order here above the line crossing, so that is like 4135. So if above this, if the price is going, so we can take a trade here. Okay. And keep a 10 point stop loss and 10 to 20 points target over here. So this is how we need to plan a trade over here. Correct. So this is how we need to decide over here. So for that, so what happens is like we have types of algos. Okay, types of algorithm. What we can do here. The first one is like so basically you can see level based. Okay, so in now just now whatever I have discussed. So whatever I have discussed you, that was a level based. So I'm expecting that price will be going above this one, and then I need to go for a trade. Correct. So this means this is a level based entry. Okay, it can be level based entry, level based exit, whatever. So that is how it works. Correct. So this becomes a first one, that is a level based entry signal. Okay, now what we can do is like we can I will show you exactly how this works, how can we do this stuff and everything. Okay, so we have our platform, that is a fin target platform we have here. Okay, so basically we have our fin target platform, so you can contact us. So basically this is a very good website, so you can automate your trade everything and you will be getting a ready-made strategies as well, and if everything is like white box always. Okay, so white box algos. So now what I can do is like I will try to show you how exactly we can do here. Okay, so first I will try to do one thing here is like same we will do here, that is like if the price is approaching above this level, that is like 25,950. Okay, so 25,950, if the price is approaching, I want to go for a trade over here. Okay, correct. So now what I will do, I will do price here. I need to do price. So crossing up, correct. So it is like crossing upside here. Yes, so this is what. So what I need to do, whenever the price is going above this one, I need to buy a call here, correct? I need to buy a call, or like you can sell a put. So both we can do. It's like how we can do. First, I will create a strategy for it. Okay. So this is like a bull, or like you can say we need to name it like we can name it like call and put. Okay. So call and put. We can name it as a call and put here. Okay. So what I'm trying to do is like simply this is like intraday only. I want to do an intraday perspective. So I'm adding two legs. That is like first one I will buy a call, and second one is I will sell a put here. So both are basically same. Okay, this is a long combo strategy. Okay, this is a long combo. Okay, so now what happens? See, I can set a stop loss, targets, everything over here. Correct, trailing stop loss, everything I can set. So this is one step solution basically. Okay, so if you are planning that, okay, after this I will buy, just you can do this stuff. Okay, so now how it works? Stop loss, I'm adding in points. I will do everything in the points manner only. See, you can do this in the premium chart as well. So if you go, if you want here, like options of Nifty. So if you are planning for here, this one, you can do here, you can do here. Everything is possible. Everything is fine. Okay, in premium charts also we can do this stuff. Okay, now as of now we will do in this one. So I'm expecting like 35 points stop loss. Here also like 35 points stop loss. Target will be my 70, and here also the target will be 70. Okay, I'm just trying to do this one. So here if you want you can do re-entry that also. As of now we will not do that also. We'll just try to keep it a very clean one. So now when I have created strategy, the strategy is created now. Okay, so now I will go for the signals based here. Okay, so what I need to do, create a signals over here. So I am taking a signal from the trading view. See, for this we need premium version of trading view. Okay, for this we need basically what, premium version of trading view over here. Okay, that is a very important stuff to keep in the mind here. Okay, this is very important thing we need to keep in the mind. So then what happens? So click on to the trading view here. So you just try to select a strategy which we just named it like call and put here. So when we do a call and put here, so you can do paper or like your account, whichever you are comfortable, everything you can choose over here and you can do. Okay. So now what I will do, I will just now will do a paper. Okay. So now what happens? Copy the JSON block. So we need to copy this one, and basically we need to go to the message and we need to copy paste this one here. Okay. So next what happens? Again, I have pasted it, and again you need to copy this one as well. This is a web hook URL. So when you go for the notification over here, so you can see a web hook URL. So this is like we have connected here our Algos. Second, so I will copy paste the webhook URL over here. You can see, so fin target, it is there here. So then what I can do, I can do here save. So now here I will tell that I have pasted it. So it will ask you that start listening. Okay. So when I do this one, so you can see that the signals, just a minute. Here you can see it is there. So call and put, it is executed now. So basically here we can see this one, that is like whenever this is happening, as of now market is closed. Okay, so if tomorrow market is basically, okay, tomorrow market is like getting like 9:15, if I'm getting any entry over here, it will automatically punch this order over here. Okay, if you, this is like broker, it is a paper. Okay, it will be a paper trading. You can connect your broker as well here basically. So you can connect your broker as well. So then what happens automatically, whenever here it triggers, it automatically keeps a stop loss, it automatically keeps a target, everything will be sorted off here. Okay, so that is how it works. Basically, that is how it works here. Okay, this is the first one, what I was telling you, that is what? That is basically a level based. Okay, this is a level based entry. So I'm expecting that this level, if it is crossing, then I will go for a trade. Okay, so next one, if you go, okay, next one, if you go, there are like signal indicator based automation. Okay, so here what happens is like, so now we will be using indicator, but only single indicator, not many indicators. Okay, I will be using one single indicators, and then I'm deciding to take a trade or not to take a trade. So how I will show you that, it's a very simple. So now if I'm going here and I'm adding a 20 moving average over here. Okay, I'm adding a 20 moving average here. So now am I telling that, okay, if the price is crossing above the 20 moving average, okay, if the price is crossing above the 20 moving average, that is when I need to take a trade over here. That is when what I need to do, I need to take a trade over here. So what I can do is like simply go to a FinTarget platform. Okay, first we need to do it. Okay, here I have, so I'm planning for a trade. Here as of now, we can go for a below one. Okay, we'll not go above. Why? Because the price is already above, right? So now again we need to go there. So you're planning a trade below that one. So again we need to create a trade. Go for the strategy. Simple. Again, once again, I'm telling you the whole process here. Fin target, create a strategy. Okay. So now here what happened? We can name it as like a short. Okay. Okay, short FUT. We can go for a future perspective now. Okay, so cash future. Now what I will do? Short future. Future. I'm trying to take a trade. This is like a intraday trade only. I'm trying to do. That is like timing. Also, I'm giving like a 9:16 to 3:20 only. In this between, if the signal is getting triggered, that is when I need to take a trade. Otherwise, I should will not take a trade here. Okay, short of future. Now short of future monthly lots, whatever you want, you can add up the lots here. So add a leg. So now if you want, keep the stop loss, keep the target in the points manner here. Here also in the points manner. So I'm keeping a stop loss of 80 points and I'm targeting for a 160 points. Okay, so otherwise I'll plan for 100 and I keep a stop loss of 50 points here. Correct. So simple, clean, stop loss, everything is set and save the strategy over here. So when I'm saving the strategy, now what I will do, I will go for the signal. Okay. So now here, what I need to do, I need to open the indicator. Okay. In indicator, what I need to do is like, I need to create a signal over here. Okay. So here what happens, this is how it will be looking. So I will do a price crossing down. Okay. That is like here, it is 20 EMA. Okay, so time minutes, I will be like time frame, I will be doing 5 minutes perspective over here. So whenever the price is crossing below the 20 moving average, that is when the trade should be triggered here and 50 points stop loss and 100 points target should be there. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to do here. Then what happens? We need to go here, create a signal, trading view. So which one? That is like short future, paper trading. As of now, copy the JSON block and here just paste that one, and next you go here and like I have pasted it one, copy the URL and go here, paste that URL. So now it is basically created. So now I have pasted it. Okay, so if you want, you can keep a exit criteria also. As of now, we will keep already that we have kept a stop loss also now. So start listening. So it is done. So now you can see there are two things are running now here. Yes or no? So the short future, according to the moving average, there is a short running. Correct. So this is a single indicator based entry. So you can use, see, for this I told you now, we need a premium version of TradingView. Why? Because webhook, whenever you're going for a webhook, so this one, so you need a premium version of TradingView here. Okay. This you keep in the mind. Okay. So now this was a using what? this was using a single indicator based automation. Okay, the whatever indicator you are planning, you can go for a trade over there, like RSI, MACD, EMA, whatever, whichever is comfortable for you, everything you can do here. Okay, so you have a lot of options here. Whenever you go for a alert, no, you can see here a lot of options are there, lesser than, greater than, everything you can do here. So the third one is like basically that is multi-indicator based automation. This is what you guys, most of people will be doing here, correct? So you will be putting two, three indicators according to that. If this is happening, I need to take a for trade for here, correct? So now, as of now, that's one of the simple and the most effective one indicator that I will be showing you how it works. So now you see, so 20 and like 20 and 21, whatever. Okay, so I will be adding these indicators. Okay, now, so this indicator. So now what I'm trying to tell is like, I will go and I'll try to create a strategy, telling that I want to create a strategy that, so if the price that is like a 9 is a blue one. Okay, so okay, so first we need to create a strategy. We need to go for a strategy here. We need to see here what's going on. So that is like Nifty, same intraday perspective. So add legs. Okay, add two legs. So now what I will do is like, I will try to do a strategy that is like a bull call spread. Okay. So whenever I'm getting a golden crossover in the Nifty perspective, I want to do a bull call spread. So what is that? At the money I will buy and I will sell out of the money. That is like 100 points. I will try to sell out of the money. So this becomes a spread that will be hedged. So at the money premium, you need to check how much it is. So according to that, if it's 100, if this is 30 or 50, so your loss will be 50 rupees here. So this is already predetermined strategy here. No need of keeping a stop loss and target over here. Okay. If you want individually, you can keep, but it comes with a target and stop loss. Okay. So this is how it works. Now what happened? We will name it bull call. Okay, so bull call. So save the strategy. Then again go to the basically signals over here. Create a signal, trading view. So we were just like bull call. So paper and like this is a bull call. So what we need to do is like here we need to go to the ninth. Okay, okay, 9 moving average. So 9. Okay. So when we go to the 9 perspective over here, here what happens? The first one should be 9 going crossing up. Okay, here it should be not value. This is like EMA. Okay, whenever it is going upside, we need to buy this one, correct? Whenever it is going upside, we need to buy over here. That is like 921. So if you're thinking for a death crossover, crossing down. So this vice versa, you can think of here. So then what happens automatically? So copy here. Again, you go to the message, just select this whole thing and paste. Okay. And next again, you need to have pasted it. Again, you copy here. You again webhook. So when you basically create here, then automatically I have pasted. So start listening. So when you do this thing, see we have three strategies basically running over here. So basically what happens here, we have three strategy running over here. So you can see here basically three strategies, correct? So by just now though there is no headache for you. So simply whenever whatever command you have given, it will be automated, everything it will be doing itself. So these algos are basically what you know, these are like indicator based, okay, level based, okay, single indicator based. Now we have basically time-based strategies also. For that also we need to do algo. See, time-based is like, see how it works is like, for example, I am doing a this thing here. So what happens is like we have a time-based strategies that is like 9:20 straddle, okay, 9:30 straddle, okay, like or 2:20 straddle. So here what happens is like basically whenever market is coming at 9:20, we need to punch an order, okay, and keep a stop loss for it. So that also we can do by algos only. Okay, we can do for what? We can use algos help here. So how to do that one? So here when you go to our FinTarget platform, so we have already ready-made. First of all, we have so many ready-made strategies over here. Okay, so you can see we have already strategies. Just a minute. Yeah. So you can see the strategy view here. So this is our strategy that is like short closest price to 50, that is short strangle. Okay, short strangle with the stop loss, trailing stop loss, everything it is mentioned here. Okay, so this kind of strategies you will be having. You see here also, if I show you, see, see, when you click on the pre-built strategy over here, so you can see this kind of strategies. So when you see view strategies, they will be giving you full data. That is like this is a Sensex strategy. Required capital is 30, sorry, 3.5 lakh rupees. Time entry time is 10:22 a.m. Exit is like 3:13 p.m. So VIX is like 10 to 13. So everything will be so winning ratio, everything, days of execution, everything will be mentioned here. So you just need to do here what? You need to come here, just deploy the strategy. Okay, so you need to deploy the strategy in your broker account. So everything will be literally automated here. So that is how FinTarget help us to make our trades very easier. Okay, so whatever you can see here, we can do this all kind of strategies here. Okay, so these are all basically white box algos. So I have created this whole thing. So basically we have five pre-built strategies as of now. These are like we created whenever we wanted. So because of that only I have showed you over here. So these are like five, sorry, six, seven strategies. This is like, yeah, seven strategies as of now you have. So you can just connect your broker and you can start using FinTarget. That is how it will try to help you. Okay, so if you want this FinTarget for free of cost, you just try to open Alice Blue or First Stack account with our this thing. So you will be getting this FinTarget free of cost. Okay, you'll be getting this FinTarget as a free of cost. So whatever I mentioned you now here, basically that is like level based, okay, single indicator based, multiple indicator based, everything you can do but just click off. Okay, you can just click and you can just start trading over here. Okay, so that is how it is. I guess everybody understood. See, now it is a alert set over here. You can see that is like bull call is there. So whenever the price is going above or below, so you will be getting an entry here. So you will be getting what? Basically an entry over here. Exit or entry, exit or entry. Everything will be there here. So everything will be predetermined. So pre-built strategies, rely custom strategies deployed, everything you can see here. And you can see listed RAs also. So SEBI registered, so Hariprasad, you everybody know. So his strategy is also listed here. Other RAs also, their strategy is also listed here. So you can explore literally everybody's strategy, uh, and you can trade over here. Everything you can do over here. You can see view strategy. These are the six strategies by like three RAs they have listed here. So you can use this strategies as well. So this is how it works. So broker also you can connect your broker here. So whichever broker, for example, you want to connect your Alice Blue account. See recommended I told you that. So setup. So if you are confused or something like that, you can watch a demo or like you can just directly set a connect. It will try to open uh, a pop-up with the website, easily connect from there also. So when it shows, it will be popping up like this here. So you can easily start and you can easily trade over here as well. Okay, see, use Win Target free and get 2000 brokerage credit as well when opening. So you can definitely open a first stock account and it will be a very easy thing for you here as well. So I guess everybody understood how exactly algos works in a basic manner. Okay. So after that we have like Python based algos, that is like we have our black box algos as well. So this is how a small algo start. So crossovers, level based, a single indicator, RSI, MACD, whatever. So you can just try it out first, this all stuff in the normal base manner, and then you can start exploring Python based algorithm systems as well. Okay. So time based and everything you can start off. So yep, guys, thank you so much for